machine. You're not as big a fan of Jimmy's dad as I am.
Oh, yeah? What's his favorite color?
It's, pie.
I smell a brain blast.
Oh, is that what that is? I thought it might be the cheese ball I've been carrying around since I was 3. I call him Cheesy.
Good point. The vault back at the rocket is the best place.
Wait a minute. How come you get to hold the rubies?
In a safe that only you know the combination to?
Ruby Madness! Ruby Madness is tearing us apart!
Carl, easy!
Oh, you made me tell. You want my rubies, you jewel thief?
Jim Stealer! Ruby Madness! Ruby Madness!